How to search amongst your files here in Astodi? Let me show you. Basically, this is very easy because there is a search functions window here in the toolbar to the left-hand side. By clicking into the bar, you can type any words what you like, and you can narrow your search results to a certain projects. For example, the selected ones, the opened ones, or in all of them. You can also choose the different file types, for example, the audio, the image, or the video files. By clicking the Show Results button, it automatically opens up in a new tab here in the file browser. And basically, this is it. Astodi, be organized, be efficient.